Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Lamborghini Aventador cardboard miniature. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need sturdy cardboard sheets, a reliable craft knife, and strong adhesive glue. Don't forget a cutting mat to protect your surfaces and a ruler for straight lines. Printing a scaled template of the Aventador is crucial for achieving accurate proportions and details. Make sure your workspace is well lit and organized for a smooth crafting experience. Now let's focus on precision cutting. Using your sharp craft knife, carefully cut out each piece from your printed template. Remember to score fold lines very lightly, perhaps just 1 or 2 millimeters deep, before bending the cardboard. This technique ensures crisp, clean folds without tearing. Always use a metal ruler as a guide for your cuts to maintain perfectly straight and accurate edges throughout your model's construction. Patience here is key. With all your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. Start by securely gluing the main body sections of your Aventador together. Work systematically, allowing each joint to dry properly before moving on. Next, carefully attach the smaller, intricate details such as the wheels, rear spoiler, and headlights. Using a strong, quick-drying adhesive will ensure a durable and lasting construction. Take your time to align everything perfectly for the best result. Finally, let's add those finishing touches to your incredible cardboard Aventador. Applying a protective clear coat will not only enhance its durability, but also give it a professional, polished appearance. You might also consider painting your miniature in a vibrant, classic Lamborghini color, like bright orange or sleek black, to truly bring it to life. Once complete, display your meticulously crafted model proudly for all your friends and family to admire. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.